Looking for audit-ready, pre-validated BSB resources that make training easier for your RTO? Struggling with complex compliance and inconsistent learner outcomes? Our BSB training package is designed for real-world success. Our BSB resources stand out with the features that truly support trainers and learners. Learners train within our career training simulation business, creating an immersive and consistent workplace experience. They access a dedicated simulation website, complete with company-style documents, forms, and policies. Practical role plays provide clear scenarios and roles, making assessments smooth and realistic. Every task comes with detailed benchmarked answers, saving trainers time and ensuring fair marking. Assessments include observable behaviors, so every learner is judged consistently. Each resource comes with audit-ready mapping, pre-validated against the BSB training package. They're fully aligned with the standards for RTOs 2025, supporting the latest compliance needs. Our resources are trainer and learner friendly, with step-by-step tasks and clear instructions. They are editable and LMS ready in Word, Excel, and SCORM packages. And finally, you'll have access to complete support materials from logbooks and project briefs to PowerPoints and marking guides. Trusted by RTOs nationwide, our resources save time, reduce compliance risks, and give learners practical business skills.
Want to see it for yourself? You can request a free sample today or simply call our team on 1800-959-958 to get started.